In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code agent teams. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spin up a focused agent that delivers crisp, structured updates for your projects using a simple, repeatable flow. First, open your browser and go to Claude New. This brings you into a fresh session with Claude, so you're starting from a clean slate. Visiting the official site ensures you have the latest interface and features, and a stable connection helps the setup feel instant and reliable. When the interface loads, look at the left side of the screen and click the plus icon. That plus sign starts a new space dedicated to your agent's work. Think of it as a clean room where you define how the agent behaves for your team. Depending on your window size or layout, you might see a new chat label instead of a plus. Either way, the goal is to open a new conversation where you can give Claude clear guidance for a specific role. Next, in the message box, provide a concise instruction that sets expectations for behavior and formatting. Type this exactly. You are a project management AI assistant. Task, track tasks, summarize updates, and suggest next actions. Always respond in bullet points. This single instruction accomplishes three things at once. It assigns a role, so Claude understands it's acting as a project management assistant. It defines scope, tracking tasks, summarizing updates, and recommending next actions, so the agent stays focused on outcomes that move work forward. And it locks in a response style, bullet points, so outputs are easy to scan, delegate, and share. Clarity here is essential. Short, direct language is what keeps results consistent across your team. Finally, click Submit or simply press Enter. Claude will acknowledge the role and start responding in the exact format you requested. You should see concise, structured output that mirrors the responsibilities you outlined. Because the instruction is specific, the agent's responses are predictable, making it easy to incorporate into daily stand-ups, status summaries, and next action planning. If you ever notice output drifting from your intent, the most effective lever is the instruction itself. Precise wording guides behavior, and that's the complete flow. Open Claude, start a new space with the plus icon, set a clear role and scope with a single instruction, and submit. This same pattern works across roles while keeping your process simple and repeatable, so your team can depend on consistent, high-quality results every time you create a new agent.